Your boobies out.
Actually, no, Tosh. This is what you look at, Steph. This is what you look at. Don't look at me though. All right, ready? That was hot as shit. All right, now I'm gonna do a hip with Hipstagram.
All right.
That's nothing, bro.
Do what I say.
Oh, we're telling. Yeah.
And I'm not gonna upload anything without any permission.
Oh, shit. We know.
All right. Now I'm doing Hipstagram, bros. All right. No, I like this. All right, Tosh. Tosh. You look at me. Steph, you look at this purple thing.
Great
All
material,
right, ready,
bro.
bros?
Wait, I'm looking at you for how long?
Tosh, you look straight at my eyeballs, but don't look at the camera. Look at my eyeballs.
Okay.
Steph,
All right, I got it.
you
Eyeball.
look at this thing.
Eyeball.
Okay, ready? All right, I took one. Let me see what it came up.
That's the cutest.
If it's stupid, then I'm gonna get so mad at you guys.